What's good, YouTube? Today I am showing you what is a CPN and how you can use it and what can you do with a CPN. Okay, what can you do with a CPN? You can get a house, a car, bank account, credit cards, phones. You can really make money off of CPN if you do it the right way. But a CPN is legal, but it's illegal if you're using it for the wrong reasons. You know what I'm saying? Some people use it to start over because they mess their credit up so bad, which is understandable, which is unacceptable. You know what I'm saying? I don't judge. I ain't no lawyer. I ain't never been to school. You know what I'm saying? But basically what I'm showing y'all, basically what I'm telling y'all, I make CPNs for $50. I add trade lines on the CPN for $85 total. So, you know what I'm saying? $35 more, you know what I'm saying? With the trade line. Now, what is a trade line? A trade line is basically boosting your credit score. You know what I'm saying? When you make the CPN, it's no credit history. It's a fresh start. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm boosting your credit score to 593 to 600. Like, it's going to be between. See, look, check it out. It's a CPN. You know what I'm saying? And I didn't have it in December or January. I hear it at the end of January. So, and look, you see how it went up within a week and a half? You know what I'm saying? I can get y'all credit score like that. I can't do y'all regular credit score. Like, you know what I'm saying? Regular profile. But a CPN, I can get y'all credit score from 50 to 536 or 596 to 600. You know what I'm saying? And I charge $50 just to make the CPN. And I charge an extra $35 to add the trade line. Now, the trade line, why would you pay $300 and something for a trade line? And you can just pay literally $25. If you want the sauce of how to make a CPN and how to add the trade lines and how to work the trade lines, just hit me up. I'm going to leave my number in the description down below. You know what I'm saying? 25 over 335, that's a lot. Big difference. So you're doing it for cheap. So I'm teaching y'all how to do that. And I'm not just gonna be texting it to y'all. I'm gonna be getting on FaceTime or video call with y'all, and I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be hands-on. So I'm gonna give you all the sites you need to verify your CPN and everything. So you don't gotta worry about that. I'm getting y'all free sauce. And you can make $1,000 profit off your CPN just with a zero credit score. You know what I'm saying? With the phones at T-Mobile or Verizon Wireless. But yes, so you guys stay in tune. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna keep this video long because it ain't no calls for. But CPN is basically you starting over. You know what I'm saying? You fucked up your credit. You just got out of jail. You can get a job, a house, a car, phone, credit cards, and do all that stuff with a CPN. So it all depends what you do with it. I make social security cards, birth certificates, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Follow, subscribe, like. Let's get it, gang.